Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that has caught our attention for its versatility and practicality, the UBeesize Phone Tripod Pro S. We found this gem online and have provided a link in the description below, so you can easily check the latest price and availability. Now, the UBeesize Phone Tripod Pro S is more than just a simple tripod. It's a flexible desk stand designed specifically for smartphones, cameras, and even GoPros. This compact yet robust accessory is perfect for anyone looking to elevate their photography or videography game. One standout feature of this tripod is its universal phone mount adapter. It can accommodate smartphones with widths up to 3.54 inches, making it compatible with a wide range of devices. Plus, thanks to its standard adapter screw thread, it works seamlessly with digital cameras, including those from popular brands like Nikon and Canon, as well as DSLRs and action cameras. This flexibility makes it an ideal choice for both amateur and professional content creators. Durability is a key aspect of the UBeesize Phone Tripod Pro S. Its flexible octopus-style legs are made from thicker premium metal, reinforced with a rubber coating and compact foam. This robust construction means that it can withstand the wear and tear of daily use, whether you're filming at home or taking it on an adventure. You can feel confident that this tripod is built to last. Now, let's talk about stability. The tripod features a high-grade metal ball joint that can support phones and cameras weighing up to 1 kilogram. This means you can securely lock your heaviest smartphone or camera into position without worrying about it tipping over. The non-slip feet design further enhances stability, ensuring that the tripod remains steady on virtually any surface. Whether you're filming a tutorial on your kitchen counter or capturing the sunset at the beach, this tripod has your back. One of the standout features is the included wireless remote control. This handy accessory allows you to take photos and videos from a distance of up to 30 feet. Imagine being able to take group shots or selfies without needing someone else to press the shutter button. This is perfect for vlogging, filming tutorials, or even just capturing moments with friends and family. You can easily switch between portrait and landscape modes, giving you the flexibility to create the content you want. So, who is the UBeesize Phone Tripod Pro S suitable for? It's perfect for content creators, bloggers, photographers, and anyone who enjoys capturing memories on their smartphone or camera. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a casual user, this tripod is designed to meet your needs. In terms of practical use cases, the UBeesize Phone Tripod Pro S is ideal for a variety of scenarios. You might use it for live streaming your gaming sessions, creating cooking tutorials in the kitchen, or documenting your travels. It's also great for group photos at events or family gatherings. The flexibility of the legs allows you to position the tripod in unique ways, making it easier to find the perfect angle for your shots. In conclusion, the UBeesize Phone Tripod Pro S is a versatile and durable tripod that offers great features for both casual users and serious content creators. Its universal compatibility, stability, and convenient remote control make it an essential tool for anyone looking to capture high-quality photos and videos. Thanks for watching. If this video